These are 5 crypto stocks you can buy right now from your bank app that will make you astronomical gain this bull season. I've been accumulating number 4 for 2 years now, and I was able to turn 300,000 naira to 4.3 million naira the first year. I will start with the least popular one, which is Marathon Holding. Marathon Holding is the ultimate mining company. They are mining 247, building their reserves and doing it all sustainably. 3 things suggest that Mara will do really well in this bull season. First, the chart aligns with the crypto pump. It had a little pump in 2017, a bigger one in 2021, and the current price action shows that it's ready for even a bigger pump this bull season. Secondly, it is not only holding 20,000 Bitcoin worth approximately $2 billion, which is one of the biggest amongst publicly traded companies, but it recently secured $200 million in funding. And with Trump saying that he wants Bitcoin made in the US,
if crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way. And that's what's going to happen.
Mara is positioned to reap the most reward from it. Buying Mara through your bank is really easy. Open your Kuda bank account, click on Invest, click on Find a Stock, search for Mara, follow the process, and you will have Mara. You can buy all other stock I will mention in this video this way, and use the link in the description to open a Kuda bank account. If you don't want to use the bank, no problem. There are 2 other apps you can use, and I will get to that. Just like Mara, RIOT platform is also a mining company, and in addition, they design and manufacture power equipment and support high performance computing access across various sectors. The chart shows that RIOT might even do better than Mara. It did 12x in 2017, 18x in 2021, and from where we are right now, 10x should be easy this bull season. If you don't want to buy it from Kuda, you can use Bamboo. But note that my predictions for all these 5 stocks are all speculative. There are no guarantees. It can actually go to zero, so do your research before making an investment decision. If you think the first 2 stocks are hot, then the next 2 are considered to be blue chip crypto stocks. MicroStrategy is your pick if you're looking for a stock that is practically glued to the price of Bitcoin. Look at the beautiful rally it has done in the past few weeks. I don't even think it makes sense to buy this stock at this price. I would rather wait for a retracement to say $200, or I'll just DCA in, because MSTR will surely still go higher. Its CEO, Michael Saylor, continues to stack up Bitcoin like there is no tomorrow. And as of now, MicroStrategy holds over 400,000 Bitcoin. That is more Bitcoin than most hedge funds. In addition, MicroStrategy also have a thriving software business. So if you're getting exposure to MSTR, you're getting exposure to 2 sectors in one stock. And the stock that has the most healthy looking charts of all the stock I've mentioned so far is Coin. I've been buying a little of Coin stock monthly for the past 2 years, turning 300,000 naira to over 4.3 million naira the first year. Coin is the Coinbase stock, the king of cryptocurrency exchanges in the US. Every time someone buys or sells crypto on Coinbase, Coinbase takes a cut. With millions of users in the US and other countries, Coinbase is cashing out big time. If I'm to buy only one crypto stock for this bull season, I will still choose Coin. And DCA still remains my best strategy to gain exposure to Coin. Now, before I forget, the other platform you can use to purchase these stocks is Truth. The link will be in the description. The next company used to be called Square. You might know them from Square POS and Cash App. The chart strongly shows that it is still in the buying region, but signaling a breakout. Square is now called Block, but to buy the stock, you have to search for SQ. Now guys, this is the bull season, and I'll be making a lot of coin calls this season. To gain early access to them, click the join button here on YouTube to join my inner circle.